Alright guys, here is my 44-inch Hunter Dempsey ceiling fan. I got it for Christmas and it's absolutely just awesome. So anyway, I'm going to show you the light here. It's an LED, which is a huge money saver. Very energy efficient. Here's high. This thing moves a ton of air for a 44-inch fan. A ton of air. It's absolutely powerful. Here's medium. Still moves quite a bit of air on medium. Here's low. Oh, and by the way, this fan is remote controlled. In case you're wondering. And now, off. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much.